El gran reloj ya marcó más de las 6. Es el momento del gran sabor. El gran sabor de todas las horas. Cena está en McDonald's. Es Mac Tonight. Disfruta esta noche con Mac Tonight.
Right, you two. What do you say we go back to mine for the evening, eh? Gorgeous.
Old Speckled Hen sponsors Prime Time.
You know, kids, I just had a great idea. How about a big sale to kick off the summer? With great deals on our outdoor toys. Yeah, I better get going. I've got a lot to do. Kids? Kids? Kids!
Now, every pool is on sale during our big summer sale, including Intex 10x30 Easy Set Pool, only $49.99. Big Splash Slip and Slide, just $19.99. Or Sit and Splash, now $14.99. Only at Toys R Us. More fun, more choices, more ways to save.
Oh, sand crab. Oh, my sand crab. Little help over here.
Crunchy Cheetos.
شيتوس كرانشي قرمش وعيش المرح. ولاها مع كرانشي حار نار.
To Hamburger Helper for a fresh take on a quick, delicious meal. It's one box with hundreds of possibilities.
Chuck rules. You and your dog. Never let your dog eat your homework. Always walk your dog with a long leash. Remember, dogs need styling too. And when you're done, you can go to my place, where the rule is, have fun. Be cool. Oh yeah, Chuck E. Cheese's. It's cool, for real.
There's a battery that's relied on to help bring children holiday joy. Of course, children don't really think about which battery makes their toy run, but still, you'd never want to disappoint. Duracell, trusted everywhere.
Oi! Woo! Ha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
You okay, Mr. Sumo-san?
Don't you ever give up?
No. Woo!
legendary Fruit Loops treasure has to be around here somewhere.
I think I found something.
Hurry up, boys!
Awesome! We found treasure!
I can't believe it. It's true.
The legendary Fruit Loops treasures.
Kellogg's Fruit Loops Treasure Cereal, a new strawberry flavor-filled part of this balanced breakfast.
Just follow your nose.
To the fruity new treasure that shows.
Dad! Dad!
Make your plan. Get out alive.
If your hay fever tablets still leave you suffering, try a more effective approach with Nasonex Allergy Spray from Chemist Warehouse. It's clinically proven to both relieve and prevent hay fever symptoms. Right now at Chemist Warehouse, Nasonex Allergy 140 spray is just $15.99. So get more effective hay fever relief with Nasonex Allergy. Live, look, feel well at Chemist Warehouse.
The end of another day working for the man. How about some delicious hamburger helper?
Bring it on.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
And so easy to make. Even your boss could do it.
That is easy.
1 pound, 1 pan, 1 tasty meal.
Try one? Something's happening. It feels icy cool. But there's no ice.
New Kool-Aid Ice Cool. Lemon Ice, Arctic Green Apple.
Can I watch my show?
N.O. You're in control with the Kool-Aid Video Now player. It's yours with a disc for $19.99 and 24 Kool-Aid points plus shipping and handling. Plays only Video Now discs in black and white. See displays for details and you can mail it in.
Cool, can I watch? N.O.
They're getting bigger, so we're getting bigger. New Kraft Easy Mac Big Packs with 50% more noodles.
You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. Your boyfriend is a dork, make loving. I just pulled up in the ghost, fucked that bitch up out in London. Then I fucked up on a cousin or her sister out flashing. So much diamonds on my bust now. Ooh, fuck, what's the time?
Oh, yeah.
Me and smoke, perp, sipping, drain. Ooh, fuck, she take lines. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it.
You're such a fucking hoe. When the first time they asked you want sparkling or still? Are you trying to act like you was drinking sparkling water before you came out here? You're such a fucking, I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I like my dick suck, I buy you a sick truck. I buy you some new tits, I get you that nip tuck. How you start a family, the condom slipped up. I'm a sick fuck, I'm inappropriate. I like hearing stories, I like that hoe shit. I wanna hear more shit, I like the whole shit. Send me some more shit, you trifling hoe, bitch. Bitch.
You're such a fucking hoe. I love it. You're such a fucking hoe. I love it.
You know, in the old days, they couldn't say the shit they wanted to say. They had the fake orgasms and shit. We can tell niggas today, hey, I wanna come, motherfucker.
And hoping and thinking and praying and planning and dreaming. Show 'em that you care.
Lunchables, make fun of lunch. And now, make fun of snack time too with new Lunchables Fun Snacks.
There's never been an easy way to get rid of those tough marks around your home. Until now. Introducing the new Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. With just water, it removes those marks and scuffs so easily, you'll be surprised. So surprised, you'll look for reasons to use it. Use the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser again and again. It even removes crayon.
Clean your tough dirt with Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Mr. Clean.
Dude, he's still pogoing. It's been 4 hours.
Does he sleep? Yeah, he definitely doesn't sleep. And BK said this is him calm, so I don't think it's gonna get any better. Yeah.
Hey, Domino's, I think it's time for bed.
Nobody gives Domino's at bedtime.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
This is why you need me in the house. My God.
Oh, thank you, Wendy.
Cereali Nesquik, per me niente come Nesquik.
Wow, e poi sono così croccanti. E così cioccolatosi.
Quando i cereali Nesquik trasformano il latte nella cioccolosità unica di Nesquik, prendi un cucchiaio e... Cereali Nesquik, il gusto unico di cioccolato Nesquik. E c'è anche Nesquik Duo. Cioccolato Nesquik e sapore di cioccolato bianco. Nesquik Duo, adoro il mix di Nesquik e sapore di cioccolato bianco.
We have a volunteer. If you want your max back, follow me.
Oh, go, come on. Thanks, guys.
Done?
Let's rock.
Gotta get in the groove. It's easy.
I'll be observing your safe driving abilities. Play your cards right, and you could be in for a tasty discount. Let's roll. Hey, check it out. One time I tripped on a sidewalk over here.
And a high of 89 degrees.
Ooh, who just gives away wood.
The Snapshot app from Progressive rewards you for driving safe and driving less.
There's an app.
Save money.
Beth. Well, that came out of nowhere.
Here's something fun to do with hot dogs. Make easy crescent dogs. Pillsbury crescent rolls.
Make dinner pop.
Whoa! I guess we're not going to the beach today after all.
We're not?
We can't go in all this weather. Just think of what it will do to my beach outfit.
Grubby's right. We can't go to the beach, but I just had a funny, sunny thought. Let's make the beach come to us.
Bring the beach here? But that's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for Dirt Girl and Scrap Boy.
The sun's gone away. It's a beautiful day, and it's raining. It's really raining. It's cozy inside. We can always play hard when it's raining. I'm not complaining. We'll have fun doing whatever, rain or sun, whatever weather, whatever weather, whatever weather, whatever weather. The sun's gone away. It's a beautiful day, and it's raining. It's really raining. I dance and I sing, and I make things with string when it's raining. That's entertaining. We'll have fun doing whatever, rain or sun, whatever weather, whatever weather, whatever weather, whatever weather. The sun's gone away. It's a beautiful day, and it's raining. The sun's gone away. It's a beautiful day, and it's raining. We'll have fun doing whatever, rain or sun, whatever weather, 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 whatever weather.
Should life come to a stop, we'll give you up to £100 for immediate expenses, so you can keep moving. Oh yes, chill. Churchill.
Helping in the backyard, had to weed and rake. You wanna thank me, Daddy? Here's what it's gonna take. I want the blues, Kraft macaroni and cheese, the blue box blues.
Kids want the one in the blue box, because it's the cheesiest. Kraft cheese and macaroni.
Well, if Daddy wants to please me, he's only got to cheese me. I got the blues.
That's why I think I would make a very interesting flatmate.
Next! Next!
I've been away for a bit. This is getting ridiculous.
I mean, we can't not have a flatmate.
I'll stick the kettle on.
Come on, the right one's probably just around the corner.
Hiya! Oh, tea. Hey, Snap. Must be a sign. Very nice. I'll take it. I'm Holly, by the way.
No, and I'm Tom.
Margaret. Margaret? Oh, grow up, you two.
We all need a PG moment.
When you slurp up Campbell's Chicken and Star Soup, your mouth will be out of this world.
Look deep inside your soup bowl and what do you see? All those chicken and stars, tasty as can be. Just hanging out in a chicken broth galaxy. All those chicken stars, you know they like to party. Oh, those chicken and stars, irresistible they are. Just one slurp and you'll see what are chicken and stars. Superstar you'll be. Oh, those chicken and stars. Wow!
Campbell's Chicken and Star Soup. Good.
Hi. Need help finding a dependable used car?
Yeah, I'm worried about things like flood damage.
Oh, our team doesn't keep quiet about those cars.
Rank to Carfax. Found an SUV here.
Here's a sports sedan. I'll get the VIN number.
Oh, there's a convertible. Avoid that one.
Largemouth bass. They get the word out. Only one site has a free Carfax report for every car listed.
That's it.
Start shopping at the new Carfax.com.
To help prove the new Advanced Energizer really does last over 30% longer than Duracell in these digital cameras, we've enlisted Energizer scientist Dr. B.D. Trang. Lie, Trang. And the bunny's fish food. So, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
That's right. Now, which battery will last over 30% longer in these cameras?
Energizer.
Well, lucky bunny.
Hey, Ella.
Hey.
Here's Boulder.
Okay, see you in an hour. Bye-bye. There we go. Come on, Boulder. Come on, guys. Daisy. Ah!
Lunchables Cheese Pizza. Now with mandarin oranges. Because a great lunch inspires great ideas. There's power in a great lunch.
Doesn't get better than this.
You know, other people are trying to do their laundry too.
Felicia, those are her whites in the dryer.
Ronald McDonald and the Chicken McNuggets and Baby Talk.
This reminds me of when you guys were babies.
Tell us about it, Ronald. Yeah!
I remember when you took your first step.
What's that first step?
When you learned to read.
Oh!
Your first birthday. Your first word.
Whee!
And your first dip. Barbecue sauce. Now you're all grown up.
Right, but don't forget the nightlife.
The good time, great taste of McDonald's.